y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Everything you need to know about me is down below. Okay, so I literally just did my hair. If you didn't see the hair tutorial on how to do an easy, quick beginner sew-in or install for yourself, all right, go ahead and check that out. The link will either be down below or it'll be in my videos. I did curl my hair up a little bit, but y'all, I wanted to come out here and show y'all these TikTok viral, Amazon viral lashes. Okay, so everybody has been talking about them. Everybody's been saying, oh my goodness, you know, these are better than individuals, these are better than strip lashes. And lately I have not been liking strip lashes. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I normally am somebody who will buy 3, 4, 5, 6 packs of strip lashes at one time. But y'all, I had went on vacation with my friend or whatever, and she had these lashes and she did my lashes, and you know, they stayed through the water and everything for the most part, but they was really good. And I'm like, damn, this is fire. I did see them a lot on TikTok shop, and I did see my Amazons like that, but you know, I be kind of weary when it comes to ordering that kind of stuff, if you know what I mean. Okay, but yeah, so these are the lashes. This is by the brand TDance. These are the cluster lashes, and they go from 10 millimeters all the way to 20. They come with your own little tweezers. Okay, me personally, I got my own tweezers. But these are cute. They're pink. And it comes in a little box. Ooh. Comes in a little box, and this is everything you need to apply your lashes. Of course, me, I got my little hand mirror just in case. And I'm missing something, y'all. I'm missing something. I could have sworn I ordered the lashes with the glue in here. Hold on, y'all. Let me go see if I can find the glue. Okay, so I did find the glue, y'all. It is like a little stick like this. And you know how normally you wear hair glue, ghost bond, lash glue, the clear glue, whatever you use to put on your lashes. I know a lot of you guys are used to using that kind of stuff. Me personally, before, when I first started doing lashes, I did try the clear glue, didn't work for me, and I ended up using hair glue. You know, everybody knows the hair glue hack. Okay, you know. And then I started using ghost bond. I seen somebody on TikTok or Twitter, and they were saying how, you know, my lashes stay all day through water, through everything, and I was wearing strips. So I started using that, and you know, it does break some people out. You know, it's hair glue, it's not lash glue, but use at your own risk. All right, don't come on here telling me, oh, actually you told me to do, show me do that. I'm just telling you what works for me. All right, but this is the bond and seal, so it does come with a bonder and a seal. I've never used before. Okay, so it is waterproof and it's long lasting. So I'm guessing first you use the bonder. All right, but before we get into the lashes, I just want to show you guys how the pack looks. It's very, very cute. These literally make you look like you went to your own lash appointment, and they stay for a long time, not just for an hour, not just for a day, but they stay for quite some time. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna open up the case, but it does come in a cute little clear case. Like, look at that. But yeah, so I'm gonna open it up, and you know, you have all your little lashes here. They feel amazing. You know, me personally, I'm gonna go for a cat eye look, and those are perfect for doe eyes or almond eyes like I have. So I was gonna put the 10 here, okay, and then go 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and then have the 10 at the end just to give that cat eye look. All right, because I seen it on this little video I was watching, child. All right, but yeah, so here are the tweezers. They come with a little piece on it just to make sure they're fresh, nice and clean, and they are together. But yeah, you start with the bonder first. The bonder is always first. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, so the bonder basically looks like this. It reminds me of mascara in a way. And me personally, you know, I see some people put it on top of their lashes, some people put it under. I'm gonna actually put mine, under my lash line and see how that looks. Let's see. But I'm just showing you guys what I'm doing. Let me scoot up some so y'all can see. I've actually never done this before, so. But when she did my lashes, my friend, baby, they was burning. Okay, so now that I have the binder on, I'm going to do what I said earlier, and I'm going to actually try to start with the 10 in the corner. Okay, so I have it here. Here it is. Let me see. I'm gonna try to see if I can put it underneath, but if I can't put it underneath, I'm just gonna put it. Ooh, my hands are shaking like crazy. Oh, I like mine underneath, so I'm gonna actually continue with the under. Okay. Now I have a 12. I'm gonna put another 12. And this is my first time doing this, so if I could do it, y'all could do it, okay? Oh shit. And that glue, whatever glue they be using on here, that shit don't play. Okay, so I tried to fix that one, but it ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna just leave it where it's at. Here is my 14 I'm putting on. This is harder than it looks, but it's easier than it looks. I just feel like maybe because my hands been moving all day. Yeah, these tweezers is not helping me. I don't know what they supposed to be doing, but they ain't doing what I want them to do. Okay, so that's my 14. I'm gonna use another 14 to go right next to that one. I'm gonna have a 12 to bridge the gap in the middle. So I did 110, 2 12s, excuse me, 110, 110, 3 12s, 2 14s, so this is my third 14 I'm putting down. Y'all, mind you, this is my first time doing this, so bear with me. Here is my 16 that's going to go at the end. Y'all can see how easy this is. It's not easy, but it's not hard. I don't know how to explain it. Y'all see me struggling? I'm gonna come back when I got the first eye done. Okay, so this is how the eye looks. I love how they look. They look so cute. Okay, and you know, this is how they look. I would say it's easy for them to put on. You just really have to focus, but if you're not focused, it's going to be hard. But yeah, I really like these. They look so cute, like individuals. I did put them under my eye, and that was my first time doing that. Normally I put my lashes, you know, on top of my lash line, but I wanted that seamless line where you already know, like, you know, you're good. So now we have the sealer. Okay, this sealer is what goes on the lashes and on and underneath to seal the lashes in place. Okay, so I'm just going in and doing it like this. Alright, so if you get this in your eye, it will burn because it's burning me now. But it's nothing that, like, if you're blowing it, you'll be okay. Or if you want to fan it like I'm doing, you can. But child, I just got that shit in my eye. And this happened to me when I was doing my, my friend was doing my lashes the other day. Well, the other day when we was on vacation. But I really like it. Okay, that's good. So now I'm just going to put the sealer on the top of the lashes as well too, just to lock them in place. Okay. So now with them in place, I'm going to go ahead and start with my next eye. And then I'm going to show you guys how they work out. But so far, I give them a 5-star. We're really a 4.5 if this is your first time. But if this is like something you really like, definitely a 5 stars. And you can feel like, you know, you're doing your own lashes and you have that lash tech at home. So I'm going to do the other eye and I'm going to come back. Alright, so I just finished this eye. And this is how the lashes look. Alright, so I am a little messy with the glue, but that's okay. But yeah, this is how they look. I love the way they look. They look very natural. If you want to go larger, you know, you can go. I stopped at 16. If you want to go to 18 or 20 or whatever it is, you definitely can. Okay, they go all the way up to 20 millimeters. Okay, if you want something a little bit more, you know, out there. But this is just my day-to-day, just to keep it, you know, regular. Because I don't want anybody to feel like, oh, you know, you're doing a little too much. You know, I do work a professional job. But this is the lashes. I really hope that you guys like them. I will also be adding them to my Amazon storefront, so you can find the kit for you. I did get the cluster lashes in the 3D mix. Okay, so down below I have the link, and then if you want to go on my bio or, you know, in my info, you'll find the link to all my other links as well too. But yeah, this is the video. I really love them, and I'm going to go look cute. Bye.